Right, okay, guys. Good evening and welcome back. So, in paper revision class, I'm going to discuss the mixed section in my tube. It's in tube page number uh, 12 and 13, right? So, I told you to draw the structures in here. So, first of all, this is need to identify. Wait, I'm going to maximize it. Right. So I think you can see the question. Samanti's business sells stationery, and below are the stationery purchases for resale for the month of December 2020. So these are the stationery purchases. So when it comes to purchases, it can be a cash basis purchase or credit basis purchase, right? So first of all, we need to check whether they are only cash basis purchases and credit basis purchase. So in here you can see purchase bought on credit. Okay, so in cash. So even on not only that paid. So only the purchases, cash basis, right? So likewise, these are the things. So what is the requirement? Required prepared prime entry books, ledger accounts, and source document relevant to 1, 2, and 6. I'm not going to do this today. So let's do. So when it comes to this one, we need cash book for cash basis purchases and cash payments. We need purchase journal to record the credit basis purchases of trade goods. Seems to be like in here no any thing like purchase in non-current assets on credit basis, right? Purchase in non-current assets on credit basis, something like that. Seems to be like there is no anything like this, right? So what we need to do, so in here since no any uh, non-current assets credit basis purchases, we don't need general term, right? So we need as the second one, we need to prepare the ledger accounts. Guys, turn on the video. We need to prepare the ledger accounts. Okay, so we need to prepare the ledger accounts. So we need to prepare the ledger accounts. To prepare ledger accounts, you need, so as like me, you can draw, you only need to draw first ledger account using the full format, right? So in your examination, so guys, others also please turn. So in your examination, just draw the first ledger account using the full form. Understand? And no need to draw other ledger accounts using the full format. You can draw the T. Understand? To reduce our time, I'm going to draw other ledger accounts using. Is it clear to you? Right? So this is the second one. Just draw 4 ledger accounts and keep another 7, 8 lines. We don't know whether how many ledger accounts we need. Then write the workings because we need to do the calculation. Quickly draw up to here and raise your hand. Cash book and keep 7, 8 lines. Purchase journal, draw it and keep around 10, 12 lines. Then ledger accounts, just draw 5, 6 ledger accounts. For each and every ledger account, keep 4, 5 lines. And keep another 7, 8 lines. Whether we don't know whether there will be another 2 ledger. No need to care. Then write working. Hurry up. You need to be quickly. Okay. Draw the ledger accounts and raise your hands. I'm waiting for your raise hand. Right. So then we can draw the cash book, purchase journal, and ledger. Finished? You can take your time, no worries. I'm waiting for a response. I'll give another 4 3 3 4 minutes. So you know this is the purchases, cash basis pay, cash basis purchases. Not only that, cash payments is also there, right? Shall we move? Right? Nice. Done. Fatima, Yumet, and Pansilu. Are you there? Once you finish, raise your hands. Where are the others? Siulini, are you still writing or have you finished? I don't know. You just joined. I think. Okay, let's move. Now I'm going to show this one in here. You can see the activity in here. Okay. Now let's start. Okay, I'm removing all your raised hands. This is very much important. Am I audible to you guys? Can you hear me? Yes or no? Nice. Now this is first of all we need to check what is this business. What is this business? This is a stationery business, right? Samanti's business sells stationery. So this below are the stationery purchase for resale. Then මෙතන කියලා නෑනේ the stationery යන්න වෙන මුකුත් purchase කරා කියලා. Non current assets purchase කළා කියලා නැත්නම් these are only stationary purchases, cash basis, credit basis, and if it is a credit basis, we need to pay back. Understand, to our creditors, right? So first one, okay, what is the first one? On December 7, now you know in my cash book, 2022 December, 2020 December, my ledger heading also 2022 December. And then we don't need to repeat the month and year again. On December 7th, a dozen half sheets, dozen can hear. Anyone? Dozen can hear. Dolah. Dozen කියන්නේ 12. Half sheets were brought on credit from Amara's business and one bundle had a market price of rupees 750. Receive 5% cash discount on purchases of goods. Sorry, 5% discount on purchase on goods. Also in the source document received from Amara's business, it was recorded 5/30/net. Samanthi paid in 10 days. Oh my god. Samanthi දවස් කීයකද? Samanthi දවස් ගෙවලා තියෙන කීයද ඉන්න? 10. දැන් අපි බලන්න ඕනේ Samanthi ගෙවපු දවස්. Samanthi ගෙවලා තියෙන්නේ කවද්ද? December 17th, right? ඒ December 10 නම් අරගෙන තියෙන්නේ. පේ කරලා තියෙන්නේ කවද්ද? මුලින්ම අපි date order එක හදාගන්න. Paid on December 17th. Is it clear to you guys? Right? If Samanthi paid after 10 days, which means December 70. Right. දැන් මුලින්ම බලන්න ඕනේ සමන්තිට cash discount එකකුත් හම්බෙනවද කියලා. දවස් කීයකින් ගෙවුවොත්ද cash discount එකක් හම්බෙන්නේ? දවස් 30ක් ඇතුළත ගෙවුවොත්. දවස් 60ක් හම්බෙනවා සමන්තිට ගෙවන්න. දවස් 30ක් ඇතුළත ගෙවුවොත් තව කීයක් හම්බෙනවද? 5% cash discount. Since Samanthi paid before 30 days, Samanthi is eligible for 5% cash discount as well. 5% cash discount as well. This discount is trade discount. Understand? This is trade discount. This is cash discount. Samanthi is eligible for both cash discount and trade discount. Understand? Trade discount and cash discount. Is it clear to you? Send me a thumbs up. Right? I think you can understand. Right? Second one. On December 15, 1,000 file covers was purchased from Nayan's company for 10,000 in cash. This is cash basis. We don't need to record it in purchase journal, right? This is cash basis purchase, which means cash book credit. Purchase account debit. අයි නයනගේ කම්පැනියෙන් account එකක් ඕනේ නෑනේ cash basis transactions. මං කියන දෙන්නද? එවලෙම on the spot සල්ලි දීලා බඩු ගත්තා. අයනට නෙමෙයි debit කරන්නේ cash book credit purchase account debit. I think you can remember the cash basis purchase ledger. ඒකයි මම මේ ගාන හැදුවේ. එනවා මම්මයි. Right? Cash book credit purchase account. Right? So 70. On December 17, 5,000 envelope was brought on credit from Kusum's business and 3.50 each. Also, it was stated in source document that if money paid within 10 days, 10% discount will be given. Samanthi paid on December 25th. Samanthi cash discount eligible. හවුද නැද්ද? ඔව්. ඇයි? is 10 දැන් transaction එක වෙලා තියෙන්නේ කවද්ද? December 17. pay කරලා තියෙන්නේ කවද්ද සමන්ති? within 10 days. නේද? නෑ within 8 days. 8 days නේ ගෙවලා තියෙන්නේ. December 25th නේ ගෙවලා තියෙන්නේ. නේද? December 17 තමයි transaction එක වෙලා තියෙන්නේ. December 25th තමයි cash ගෙවලා තියෙන්නේ. ඒ කියන්නේ 10% cash discount එකකට සමන්ති eligible නේද? Huh? So 10% cash discount eligible. Cash. Is it clear to you? Right? On December 20th, pen and pencil worth of 7,500 was purchased from Sapuma's company on cash pay. Okay, no more. Don't need to record in purchase journal. Just only the cash. Okay? Right? It goes on cash pay. Number 5. Okay. On December 25th, half now what is this bundle of 10%, 10,000 was purchased on credit. Half sheet bundles of 10,000 of purchase on credit from Ruan company subject to discount on 10%. In relevant source document, it was written as 10/5 net 15 paid on 28. Again 28 ගෙව්වා කියන්නේ දවස් කීකින්ද ගෙවලා තියෙන්නේ ළමයි? 3කින්. නේද? දවස් 5ක් ඇතුළත ගෙව්වොත් නේ දවස් 15ක් fully දෙනවා. දවස් 5ක් ඇතුළත ගෙව්වොත් 10% cash discount එකක් හම්බ. තේරුණාද? තේරුණාද? දවස් කීකින්ද ගෙවලා තියෙන්නේ? දෙකකින්. ඉතින් 10% cash discount එක හම්බ වෙනව නේද? 10% cash discount එක හම්බ වෙනවා. තේරුණාද? Now the other. On December 27th, bought 600 sheets of A3 on credit from Amara Business at 5 each, value after deducting 5% trade discount. Also in the source document received from Amara's Business, it was written as 10/3 net 15, Samanthi paid on 31st. Wrote 27, paid on 31st, which means after 4 days, right? After 4 days. Now, who eligible for the cash discount, we need to pay before 3 days. Is Samanthi eligible for the cash discount? No any cash discount. ඇයි? දවස් 4කින් ගෙව්වේ. දවස් 3ක් ඇතුළත ගෙවුවොත් විතරයි cash discount එක. තේරුණාද? දාන්න බන්න thumbs. Right? If it is not clear to you, let me know. Right? Okay. Now we can take the order and we can write down. First of all, first transaction should be December 7th, which means December 7th means purchasing goods on credit basis from Amara's business. Understand? Okay. How to record this one? You know, we need to record this one in where? Purchase journal. Quickly come to the purchase journal. This is the December 7th. Quickly write the date December 7th. December 7th. Okay. You don't need to write the month again. Why? We already written. Just write the date. Just write the date. December 7th. Right. So Dozen of from whom? Amar. No any invoice number, just write number 1 from Amar. Okay, Amar. Shall we do the workings in here? තත්ත්වේව මොනවද කියලා මෙතන working එකේ කරමුද? එතකොට අපිට space ඉතුරු කරගන්න. වීඩියෝ on කරන් ඉමු හැමෝම ඉන්න හොඳ ළමයි වගේ ඉතින්. නරක ළමයි වෙන්න එපා. ආයි කියන්න බෑනේ ඉතින්. තේරෙනවනේ. නේද? Right? Okay. From whom? From Amar. Right? So you can write like this on December 7. December 7. From Amar. So you can write purchase what? Half sheet. Half. So what is the amount? 1000 into 750. How much, guys? It's rupees 9,000. 9,000. And not only that, eligible for how much? Eligible for what? Eligible for now there is a trade discount as well. Can you remember? There is a trade discount as well. How much is the trade discount? 5% trade discount. So you need to calculate minus 5% trade discount, which means 9,000 into 5%. How much? It's 450. 400. Once you deduct the trade discount, so it's 8,000. එතරම කරන්න ඕනේ වෙනම දැම්මත් හරි. This is the credit purchase. So you can write purchase 8,550 from whom? From Amar's business. Is it clear to you guys? Right? From Amar's. Now we need to keep the first account for purchase. හැබැයි අපි එවෙලෙම දාන්න වෙනවා මොකද සල්ලි ගෙවන ඒවාක් තියෙන නිසා. What you need to do? You need to name the first one as creditor Amar. අපි total bulk එක තමයි purchase account එකට දාන්නේ. ඒ නිසා ඒක month end එකේ දාමු. Creditor Amar account. So on the same date you need to credit. At the end of the month we debit the total sum. Understand? Just keep it. Write it at the end of the month. So on the same date, write December 7th. Just write purchase account. How much? 8,550. Is it clear to you? Purchase account. එකක් තිබ්බත් තේරුන්නේ එකම එකනාගේ මේ තේරුන්නේ කියන්නේ ඔව් අපි month end එකේ total එක අරන් purchase account එක debit කරලා relevant credit එක edit කරලා ඔව් අතන එකක් clear වෙනවා cash basis එක ඉස්සරහ තියෙනවා මං right දරවාට තේරෙයි right. Okay guys, once we finish up to here, send me a thumbs up. Easy clear to you? Right, easy clear to you? Turn on the videos. I don't know whether you can hear me or not. Right, okay. Now the other one. Video on karaganna then 11. Video on karagan. Oh, Itman Etuka, Fatima, Yumet, Natina, Pansilu, you there? Yulini, Saranya. We're now removed from the meeting. Huh? Saranya, hurry up, turn on the videos. Yulini, Tina, Mit, Fatima, hurry up. කුට්ටි වෙලාවයි මේක හොඳ ගානක් විභාගේ එන්න පුළුවන් වගේ ගානක්. නිසා මේකට දැන් මොකද මේ අපි මික්ස් ක්වෙස්චන් කරන්න ඕනේ. ප්‍රයිමරි බුක්ස් 3-4ක් මික්ස් කරලා එක්සෑම් එකේ දෙන්න පුළුවන්. මං කියන දෙන්න. This is very much important to you. That's why I'm always telling. ප්‍රශ්න දිනනවා නම් අහන්න බය නැතුව අන්න ඒ වගේ මම කල්ලි වුණාට පස්සේ මේක බලන්න ඕ තේරෙන විදිහ right okay now paid cash on December 17th but before December 17th there is another one December 15 right you can see the second transaction check the second transaction is December 15 so before moving to that let's move to the December 15 transaction right so what is the December 15 transaction මොකද්ද වෙලා තියෙන December 15 1,000 file covers was purchased from Nayaner's company for 10,000 in cash. Cash basis purchase, right? Is it clear to you? How to record the cash basis purchase? Cash book credit, purchase account debit, right? On December 15. So you can write December 15. So you can write purchase account. What is the amount? 10,000, right? It's rupees 10,000. You can write 10,000 in here in value column. So quickly come to the debit side of the purchase account. You can write cash book in here, no any creditor account, right? And we do need to write it in purchase journal. It's rupees 10,000, right? Cash book credit, purchase account, debit. It's easy, right? Easy clear to you now? When it comes to purchase, cash book credit, purchase account, debit, it's easy. But at the end of the month, we need to take the total of the purchase journal and we need to debit the purchase, right? Since purchase journal only perform the primary book function. But when it comes to cash book, it performs primary book function plus ledger account function. That's why we only need to record the one ledger, one transaction in the ledger, right? Okay. Now after that, December 17th, we can move to the December 17th, this one. Samanthi paid in 10 days, which means Samanthi eligible for cash discount. Ne? Samanthi cash discount eligible නේද? කීයක්ද? බලන්න. දැන් ගෙවන්න තියෙන 8,550. So shall we calculate the December 17th cash discount of cash discount received from whom? Amara. Received from Amara. Cash discount received from Amara. How much? You can calculate 8,550 into 5%. How much? දැන් මේක බෙදින්නේ නැහැ මොකද මන්නේ ගාන හැදෙන්නේ. බෙදින්නේ නැහැ. ඉතින් අපි සෙන්ස් වලින් ගමු. සෙන්ස් වලින් ගත්තාම ඔයාට එනවා 427.50 cents. Don't worry about it. 427.50. දැන් කොහොමද ලියන්නේ? Now how much Amar should pay? Now how much we should pay to Amar? කොච්චරක්ද ගෙවන්න? මේක අඩු කරමු. දැන් අපේ 8,000 ගෙවන්න තිබ්බට ඉතර බලා ගන්න. අපිට ගෙවන්න තියෙන්නේ 8,550 ගෙවන්න තිබ්බට අපි ගෙවන්නේ 8,550 වලින් deduct කරන්න 427. Okay, now when we are paying on December 17, you know, we credit the cash. දැන් ගෙවන දවස. අපි ගෙවද්දි කොහොමද cash book එක credit කරන්නේ, right? So on December 17, to whom we are paying? Creditor Amara. How much we need to pay? Once we deduct 427.50 cents from 8,550, it's 8,122.50 cents. 8,122.50 cents. ඒක trial balance අදාන නැති නිසා අවුලක් නෑ. 1,122.50. You can write the full. So how much is the discount received? 427.50 cents. Is it clear to you? Right? Send me a thumbs up if it is clear to you. I'll send a picture after the class, don't worry. If it is clear to you, send me a thumbs up, right? Now you know discount columns only perform the primary book function. Is it clear to you? So we record the discounts at the end of the month. So just you need to debit to cash book credit, debit the credit armor account on 70 as a cash book. This amount 8,122. Okay, we record the discounts at the end of the month, right? Just only that. Okay, after that, the next one. What is the next one? I think you are okay with this one. This is very much. After that, next one. So we recorded this one, right? And this one as well. Then again, we are coming to December 17th. Date order because we are using chronological load. December 17th. What is the December 17th? බලන්න මොකද වෙලා තියෙන්නේ කියලා December 17th. December 17th මොකද වෙලා තියෙන්නේ කියලා බලන්න. So when it comes to December 17th, 5,000 envelope was brought on credit from Kusum's business at 350 each. So stated in source document. Then in here, no any trade discounts. මං කියන එක තේරෙනවද? කුසුම්ගෙන් trade discounts හම්බෙලා තියෙනවද? නෑ නේද? නෑ නේද? කියන්නකෝ අන්න. නෑනේ. trade discounts කතන්දරයක් තියෙනවද කුසුම්ගේ? නෑනේ. මොකද 350 දැන් මෙතන pay කරද්දි cash discount එකක් හම්බෙලා තියෙනවා. pay කරලා තියෙන December කවද්ද? 25th. So in here no any trade discounts. So we don't need to worry about trade discounts in here. So how much when we once we multiply 5,000 from 350, how much? It's 17,500. Then so you can quickly come. This is a credit basis purchase. You can quickly come to the purchase journal. Write the date December 17. Just write the invoice number 2 from Kusum. This is a creditor. Kusum. Creditor Kusum. Right? So 5,000 into 350. 5,000 in 300. Sorry. ඒ 10% ඩිස්කවුන්ට් එක කරන්න පේමන්ට් එක කරද්දී නේ. එතකොට ඒක කෑෂ් ඩිස්කවුන්ට්. ඒතර පේමන්ට් සයිඩ් එකට තමයි යන්නේ. කෑෂ් බුක් එකට තමයි ඒකේ. මං කියේ දෙන්න. මෙතන කියලා නෑ. එන්නා නේද? මේක ඇවිල්ලා මේ ට්‍රේඩ් ඩිස්කවුන්ට් යන්නේ. කෑෂ් ඩිස්කවුන්ට් එක ගන්නවා විතර මේ ට්‍රේඩ් ඩිස්කවුන්ට් එක නම් විතරයි මෙතනින් අඩුයි. තේරෙනවද? අන්න එක තමයි පාටල ගන්න. මේක කෑෂ් ඩිස්කවුන්ට් එකක්. බාන්න මෙතන කියලා නෑනේ. 5,000 envelope goes on credit from Kusum 3.50. Also, it was stated in source document is the money paid in 10 bar. I told you, cash discounts applicable. Okay, when it comes to the cash payment side, this is purchasing side. Is it clear? When it comes to purchase side, only the trade discount. Trade discounts තියෙන්න පුළුවන් නැති වෙන්න. Cash discounts තියෙන්න පුළුවන් නැති වෙන්න. මං කියන දෙන්න. මේ ඇවිල්ලා මේකේ trade discounts තියෙනවා. pay කරද්දි තමයි discounts හම්බෙලා දෙන්නේ. එතකොට ඒක cash discount. මේක තමයි පටල ගන්න එකයි මම මේ ගන්න හැදුවේ. තේරෙනවද? Right? Is it clear to you? Right? Okay. Right. So now in here you need to get the total. How much? Can you tell me the total? It's 17,500. You can write 17,500. You know, at the end of the month we debit the purchase account. Till that, right? Creditor Kusum account. Creditor Kusum account. Okay. So debit credit the amount, which means 17th. අපි purchase account එක debit කරන්නේ month end එකේ. මේ අත්‍තරම් practically company accounts හදන විදිය මං කියන්නේ. So it's rupees 17,500. Now when it comes to cash payments, it's on January 25th, but before that there is another quick one. ඊට කලින් December 20th අපිට ගන්න ඕනේ නේද? එනවා. Pen and pencil worth of 7,500 was purchased from Sapumal business on cash basis. So cash book credit purchase account because it's cash based. Is it clear to you? Right? Okay. So you can write 20th purchase account, cash book credit, purchase account debit. How much? Rupees. You can write the total. It's rupees 7,500. 7,500. Cash book credit, purchase account debit. 20th, you can write cash book. How much? Rupees 7,500. 20th. After 20th, we can go to the 25th. 25th. Okay? There are 25th two transactions. දැන් තමයි සමන්තිට පේ කරන්නේ. සමන්ති දැන් තමයි මේ කුසුම්ට පේ කරන්නේ කීයද? 10% discount එකට eligible මං අපි කලින් බැලුවා. Eligible for 10% cash discount. Why? We paid within 8 days. If we pay within 10 days, we are eligible for the cash discount. Understand? Right? So how much we paid? So the amount was 7,000. Okay, let's do a calculation. Quickly come to the working. Yeah, anja bajal වගේද නෑ නේද? හා? anja bajal වගේද නෑ නේද? ටිකක් හොඳට හිතන්න ආයි බලන්න. So we paid on when we paid on sorry within 10 days. No, we paid on 25th, right? We paid on 25th. So paid on December 25th. So cash discount received from Amar. Cash discount received from whom? Kusum. 17,500 into 10% means how much? 1,750. 1,750. So we need to pay after deducting 1,750. Means 17,500 minus 1,750. Means we need to pay only 15,700. 17,500 minus 1,750 means 15,750 on we are paying on December when? December 25th, right? It's December 25th. December 25th. So we are paying on December 25th. So this is to whom we are paying? Kusum. Creditor Kusum account. Creditor Kusum. So the discount was 1,750. Right? Is it clear to you? Right? Okay. So when it comes to this one, we debit now, cash book credit, debit the Kusum's account, only the value column, at the end of the month, we need to get the total of the discount column and we need to record the both double entry, right? Okay. Guys, turn on the video. So 25th, you can write cash book. It's 1,750. 1,700. Sorry, 15,750. 15,000. Huh? මේකද? මේක discount එක. මේ discount එක විතරයි calculate කරන්නේ. discount එක අඩු කරලානේ pay කරන්නේ. අපි ගත්තේ බඩු මෙච්චරක් 10% ඩිස්කවුන්ට් එකක් හම්බෙනවා නම් අපි ගෙවන්නේ කොච්චරද? එහෙනම් මේක තමයි මෙතනට එන්නේ. මම 10 එකේ තමයි අපි ඩිස්කවුන්ට් එක ගන්න. Send me a thumbs up if you're okay up to here. If you're okay up to here, send me a thumbs up. Right. Now the other. So the next one we did up to December 25th. There is another one. Right? Okay. Me ඔක්කොම ඉවර. December 25th. 20th also done. Sorry, we need to do this one. Now this one. On December 25th, Half Street bundle 10,000 was purchased on credit from Ruan Company subject to 10% cash, subject to discount of 10%. ඒ කියන්නේ මෙතන මේ බලන්න purchase කරද්දී හම්බෙනවා නම් discount එකක්. When we are purchasing, if there is any discount, it is a trade discount. Trade discount. Right. එතකොට trade discount එකක් කීයද? 10,000 වල 10% කීයද? 9,000. So we purchase on credit basis from Ruan Company. What is the total amount? Not 10,000. We need to deduct the 10% from 10,000, which means 1,000. So the purchase amount, how much? It's rupees 9,000. Right? So you can write December 25th. This is number 3. From whom? Creditor Ruan, right? This is on credit basis. Ruan. 10,000 was the listed price. So deducted 10%, which means 1,000. No need to do a calculation. Then on the 9,000. Is it clear to you? Right? 9,000. So at the end of the month, we debit the purchase account, the total summation. So till that, we need to credit the creditors. මොකද අපි payment එක කරනවානේ මං කිව්ව relevant date එකේ තමයි අපි credit කරන්නේ. So this is a creditor Ruan account. Creditor Ruan account. How much? It's rupees 9,000. ඒක තාම double entry complete නෑ. මොකද purchase එකේ හැමතිස්සෙම credit වෙලා විතරයි. 25th you can write purchase. Purchase. Okay, try to do this at home again. Okay. We paid on December 28th. We paid on December 28th. So we paid on December 28th. So just ignore it. Payment also there is a discount. Before that there is another one which 28. So brought 1,600 sheets A3 on credit from Amara Business, 5 at each. After deducting the 5% trade discount. ඒ කියන්නේ මේ තියෙන trade discount deduct කරාට පස්සේ වෙලී. තේරුණාද? ඒතර අපි ආයේ trade discount concern කරනවා. ඒතර අපි අමරගෙන් අරන් තියෙන්නේ. Right? Credit basis කියලා නැතුණාට in the source document it was received from Amara Business. It was written 5/3/net15 again. This is a credit basis transaction. Is it clear to you? Right? So in here, no any mention regarding whether this is a credit basis. On credit basis, right? So credit basis purchase, right? So from whom we purchase? Amara. So you can write from whom? Amara. Again Amara. So this is December 27. You can write number 4. From whom? Amara. 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 How much? 1,600. 1,600 into 5. 1,600 into 5. 1,600 into 5 means 8,000. 8,000. දැන් අමරගේ account එකක් තියෙනවා 1,800 into 5 means 8,000, right? So there is a creditor Amar. So we can credit again to the creditor Amar 27. So this is purchase account debit at the end of the month. It's rupees 8,000. Is it clear to you? Right? We debit the purchase account at the end of the month. Send me a thumbs up if you're okay up to me. Right? I'll send a picture at the end of the calculator. Right? Any concerns before moving to the other part? Harima lazy. එනාතල්නේ ලේසි නේද? ඔව් කියන්න. මූණෙන් දැක්කම හිතනවා ලේසි කියලා, right? දැන් බලන්න දැන් අපි December 28 කලින් ignore කරා ගෙවන එක. දැන් මේකේ in here not eligible for cash discount, the number 6, because paid on 31st, right? Brought on 27. We paid after how many days? We paid after 4 days. But to eligible for the cash discount, we need to pay before 3 days, right? In here, no any eligible for the cash discount. But in here, we need to pay. We paid on December 31st, right? ඒකට full amount එකම ගෙවලා තියෙනවා. හරි. දැන් කලින් එකට එන්න 28 ගෙවලා තියෙනවා. discount එක අඩු කරලා. ඒ කියන්නේ දැන් 9,000 තමයි අරගත්තේ. මේ බාන කාගෙන්ද අපි රුවන්ගෙන් අරගත්තේ කීයද? 9,000 worth of goods. Okay? When we are paying again, we are eligible for what? Eligible for cash discount. How much? 10%. Which means we need to pay because purchase on 25th, paid on 28 because we need to pay before 5 days. So we paid within 3 days, right? We paid within 3 days. තේරුණාද? එතකොට අපි 900 අඩු කරලානේ ගෙවන්න ඕනේ. 900 අඩු කරලානේ ගෙවන්න ඕනේ. එතකොට කීයද අපිට හම්බෙච්ච discount එක? So we are paying on 28. To whom we are paying? We are paying to creditor Ruan. Creditor Ruan. Received discount is 900. So we only need to pay 8,100. Is it clear to you? We only need to pay 8,100. So we debit to the creditor Ruan account only the 8,120 cash book. 8,100. 8,000. Let's write the 900 at the end of the month. Nice. Now, not only this one, on December 31st also we paid to whom? Paid to Amar. හැබැයි full amount එකම ගෙවනවා. මොකද මෙතන discount නැහැ. ඒකට හේතුව ගත්තා මෙතන 8,000 discount නැති නිසා කීයක්ම ගෙවන්න වෙනවද? 8,000. So 31st need to write to creditor Amar. Full amount we need to pay, which means 8,000. Cash book credit. Creditor Amar account debit. When 31st. Cash book. How much? It's rupees 8,000. 8,000. Right? 8,000. Okay. Nice. Now what we need to do? We need to record the discounts as well as we need to get the total of the purchase journal and we need to debit to the purchase. First of all, let's take the total of the purchase journal. Can you take the total? Because now these are the total of credit purchases. This is the credit entry. We need to record the debit entry. Can you get the total? It's rupees 8,550 plus 17,500 plus 9,000 plus 8,000. I think it's rupees 43,050 rupees. How much? 43,050. Turn on the videos and wait. If not, you can leave. Right? 9,000, 8,000. Yes. So at the end of the month, you need to write debited to purchase account. Debited to purchase account. Debited to purchase account. Guys, are you there? Turn on the video. Sorry, everyone. Debited to others. Netuka, Netma, Pasindu, Fatima, Sumit, Nadina, Yulini, Saran. Debited to purchase account. Oh, Pansilu, are you there? Fatima, Sumit, Nadina, Netuka, sorry. Okay. Saranya and the one. I mean, Saranya and Sivlini, are you there? Debited to purchase account. ඒක චුට්ටක් අමාරු නෑනේ ලේසියිනේ මහා දෙයක්. චුට්ටක් ආයි හිතන්න තියෙන. ආයෙ කරන්න ගෙදරදී. තේරෙනවද? You can give a try. Now, at the end of the month, you need to debit the purchase. 31st, right? Creditors. Creditors. What is the amount? 43,050 rupees. Now, not only that. Now, our creditor balances should zero. Understand? Because to zero the creditor balances, we need to take the total of discount received and record the double entry. Ban discount received account එක total එක කීයද කියන්නේ? 427.50 cents plus 1,750 plus 900 each rupees. 3,077 rupees 50 cents. 3,077 and 50 rupees. 3,077 and 50 rupees. 3,077 and 50 rupees. Now what you need to do, you need to draw a discount received account. You know, discount received, it perform only the primary book function. So you need another account called discount received account. Quickly draw a discount received account. This is discount received. Discount received account. Discount received account. It perform only the primary book function. So you know, when it comes to discount received, it's an income. When income increase, it's credit. Okay, when income increase, it's credit. So credit to the discount received account. So how much at the end of the month? 31st. So you can write creditors. Creditors. Right? 3,077 and 50. 3,077 and 50 cents. You need to debit to the relevant creditor using this given date. Amara, okay, 17th. Amara 17. 70. You can write this is a discount received 427.50. දැන් ඔයා මේ ක්‍රෙඩිට් අමර account එක balance carried down balance brought forward ගත්තොත් කීය දෙන්න ඕන? 0. Because no any balances, right? To credit a Kusum on 25th, to credit a Kusum from creditor Kusum on 25th, from creditor Ruan it's 28th. So you can write the amount. This is a discount received in here Not only that, this is also discount received. From creditor Kusum, it's rupees 1750. From creditor Ruan, it's 900. Okay, this is the end. Quickly write it and raise your hands. I'll send a picture to the group as well. Then you can clearly understand. බලන්න කොච්චර හොඳ ගානක්ද කියලා මම හැදුවේ. නේද? Once you finish, raise your hands. I'll send a picture. Okay, there's a picture in your group as well. Once you finish, you can raise your. දැන් ඕකම එනවා මේ sales journal එකටත් අපිට හදන්න පුළුවන්. මං කියන්නේ sales journal. So sometimes there can be a cash basis sales and credit basis sales. If there is a credit basis sales, you can write in sales journal, right? So you need to debit to the relevant debtor on the transaction happening date. Okay, at the end of the month, you need to credit to the sales account. Okay, when we are debiting to the debtors account, debtor should pay us. Okay, so when debtor is paying, cash book debit, debtors account credit. If there are discounts, we need to get the total of the discounts. So discount allowed account debit, relevant debtors account credit. Likewise, you need to know. I think done, right? Just I'm waiting for your raise hands. No need, no worries, take your time. But once you finish, raise your. If there is any matter, you can let me know. Sir is so practical. Sir. This is so much practical. Yes, this is so much practical. Siulini and Netma, have you finished? I don't know whether about Siulini. Right, okay. So if you need, you can develop your own section for sales journal plus cash book. කවුරු හරි පුළුවන් නම් එහෙම ගානක් හදලා එවන්න. අර මට ඕනි කියන්නේ අර condition එක මතක නේද? 5/30 එක කොහොමද applicable වෙන්නේ? එහෙම එකක් තිබ්බද text book එකේ? ඈ. හැබැයි ඔයගේ questions වල එනවා. right? O level වල තව term test වල ඒව එනවා. So this is how we apply the condition. Okay, right? Okay, guys, this is the end of the today's lesson. If you are not okay with them, please do this again. You are now you are having holidays, right? From 22nd onwards, do this again. Okay, this is very much important, right? So we can wind up the class for today and make sure I will send you the trial balance due before next week. You can take a printout and come before next Monday. And not only that, study up to here. Okay, we did up to general journal and instant cash transaction, fully finished. Okay, next Monday I'm going to start the trial balance. Hope you understood well. Not contact me. No worries, I'm always there for you. You can give me a call. Right, okay, thank you for the participation. Good night. Saranai.
Thank you, sir.
Good night. Okay, bye. Good night.